What's going on, adventurers? Wade here with TrailLight Explorers, out doing another hike. Today we're in Kentucky, starting a brand new system at Cove Springs Park Nature Preserve. And today we're going to be hiking Meadow Loop Trail. It's going to be the access trail to a lot of other hikes that we're going to be getting into here. Meadow Loop Trail is a 0.4 mile hike with an elevation gain of 7 feet. The difficulty level, according to Cove Springs Park, is unlisted. TLE would rank it as easy. All right, so I'm gonna get geared up, get the GoPro on the chest, and we're going. All right, guys, let's get started here. Meadow Loop Trail is a very small loop that we're going to be hiking today. Nice little waterfall. And we're going to follow this creek on the left side until that loop ends. Opens up to a big meadow here. Beautiful day for a hike. Things are starting to warm up, folks. Everything's starting to green out. It's time to get your hiking gear on and get outside. Enjoy it before it gets too hot. So, some of you guys might be asking why I am in Kentucky doing the hikes. And it's because I recently moved back to Kentucky. And Aaron and I decided that we are going to run this new system and let me take the lead on it. We still will be doing Nevada hikes. We'll be traveling back and forth, so you still get that variety. But just to give you guys a little update, nice and quiet. Okay, this is part of the loop here. And so instead of keeping on this path going left into some other trails, we're gonna loop right around here and follow this tree line all the way back to the parking lot. Like I said, not a very long hike at all. Still very pretty. That's Raceway Spur over there to the left. Okay, now we're getting back on this path, going back to the parking lot. Well, folks, that concludes Meadow Loop. I hope you enjoyed this little small loop. And we will access a lot more trails using that, so I wanted to do that one first. So I'll get this off my chest, give you my final thoughts and reviews. All right, guys, there you have it, Meadow Loop Trail. Not a very long hike, but it is going to be an access to a lot of other hikes that we're going to be getting into. So come out here at the Cove Springs and check it out. But don't forget to like us, subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on our social medias. If you have anything to say or any comments or whatever, don't forget to comment below there, okay? But yeah, so I like these little ones, but at the same time, I'm looking forward to checking out the other ones though too as well. So stay tuned, and we'll be back with you guys next.